Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you about my project, that is hospital management system. So the technologies which I have used for developing the projects are Spring Boot, REST APIs for the backend, React.js for the front end, MySQL for database, Maven for the project management and dependency management, and Bootstrap for styling purpose. Now let's see the user modules present in the project. So the project basically contains three modules: administrator, doctor module, and patient module. Now let's see the functional modules. So the very first and the basic module is user authentication module. The registration and login system has been added so that only authenticated users, that is admin, doctor or patient, can perform their functionalities. The next one is doctor module. In this, register doctor, view all doctors, delete doctor functionalities will be there. The next module is patient module. In this, register patient, view all patients, delete patient functionalities will be there. And the last and the important module will be appointment module. In this, take appointment, assign an appointment to a doctor, update the appointment, cancel an appointment, and view all the appointments and status functionalities will be there. Now let's see the basic overview of the project. The hospital management system project is 3 module project. Admin will first register and log in into the system. After successful login, now he can register the doctors into the system. Once all the doctors are added to the system, patient will be able to see all the doctors on our home page. After this, patient can register and log in into the system, and after login, now patients can take the appointment. Now once the patient is taken the appointment, admin will be able to see the patient's appointment, and now admin will assign this appointment to the doctor based on the patient's problem. And now that particular doctor will be able to see this appointment details as it is assigned to him by the administrator. After this, doctor will treat the patient and update the appointment status as treatment done. And at the end, admin will be able to see all the patients, doctors and appointment details in his dashboard. Now let's see the project in detail. But before that, I would like to request you guys to please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This project is really good for the students, especially for the beginners, because in this project I have implemented lots of Spring Boot topics like Swagger, Spring Security, JWT, Interceptor, Logger, exception handling. So they will be able to learn about all these things, and they will be also able to learn how full stack project works. So now, without wasting any time, let's see the project in detail. For that, let's go to our laptop screen. This is our project, dental management system, or we can say hospital management system. This is the complete structure of the project: src, main, java, resources. So as we know, we have used Maven for the project and the dependency management. So because of Maven, we have got this structure. This is the pom.xml file. All the required dependencies I have added here. These are the packages like controller, DAO, entity, exception, interceptor, service and all the things. So now without wasting any time, let's run our Spring Boot project. But before running, let's build the project. For that, right click on the project, run as, then click on the Maven build here. Now in the goals, write clean install, skip tests, apply and run. Okay, so build is success now. Now we can run the project. Right click on the project, run as Spring Boot app. Okay, so now our application is started on port 8080. And since we know, like, we have implemented Swagger in our Spring Boot application, so now I can open the Swagger UI also. So for that, I will go to the Swagger config, and from here I'll just copy this one, hit enter, and now we can see all the controllers and all the APIs which we have created in this project. Like, we can see here appointment controller, doctor controller, patient controller, user controller. So basically from here we can see all the created APIs. Now let's see our front end project also. So this is our front end project, that is React.js. I have used VS Code for developing the project. This is the complete structure of the project. Here in the src folder, I have created multiple components like appointment, user component, navigation component, multiple pages are there. I have used images in the project. Okay, so all these things are present here. Now without wasting any time, let's run our React project also. So for that, simply I will run the command npm start. Let's see the backend logs also. Let me clear this. So once our front-end application runs successfully, we will be able to see the request coming from our front-end side, okay, to get all the doctors and all the thing. So we will be able to see the logs here. That's why I have cleared it. So firstly, let our front-end project run. Okay, so now our front-end code is also running fine. So I'll go to the browser, hit enter. So here in the backend, if I open it, we will be able to see the request coming from the front end. Okay, that is API doctor all, like for fetching all the doctors. Okay, and we have sent the response, and that's why we are able to see all the data here, that is the doctor details. All these data are stored in our database. So by using the API, we are fetching all this data. Okay, and we can see the logs also in the front end, that is we are receiving the request on the front end. Okay, so this is our home page. So when patient will visit to our website for the very first time, he will be able to see all the doctor details. Means he will be able to see all the doctor details like his name, doctor specialist, experience, age and all the thing. After this, patient can register into the system by clicking here on register patient button. And the next thing is login. So from here, basically admin, patient and doctor can log in by selecting their role. Okay, so firstly, let's register and log in as admin. So for that, we have a separate URL, that is user admin register. So we just have to replace this patient with the admin. Okay, and here we will be able to see register admin page. So from here, basically we can register admin. So if we note, like I have not given the admin register link on the navigation bar for the safety purpose, for security we can say. So now let's register as admin. So I will give the name as admin. I'll give the email admin@gmail.com. Admin 2 we can keep the password 123456. Select the gender, male. Blood group, I will enter the contact number. Age 35. You can enter anything here. I will give straight 1, city Mumbai. Pin code I can give anything. Then I will click on register user. Okay, registered successfully. So now I can log in as admin, correct? But before that, let's check our database also, like whether this admin detail got entered into a database or not. So for that, I will open the MySQL. Means as of now I am using command prompt, localhost, user is root. I have not kept any password. Why it is taking time? Okay, so here I will use the database firstly. So for that, I will just go to the application.properties file, because here we have our MySQL configuration. So I have named the database as dental management system. So I'll simply copy it and paste here. Okay, here I can see all the tables. So only two tables I have used, that is appointment and user. I will click on, so in our user table I can see our admin detail, means user detail. So here we can see our admin got registered here. Okay, in our user table we will be able to see all the users like patient, doctor, admin, because this is role based. Where is role? Here we can see here patient, doctor, admin. Just now we have registered one admin. So now we can see here means data got added into our database. So now we can log in as admin. For that I have to enter the correct email ID, password, login, and one more thing. If we check here the password, this is in encrypted format. Okay, because I have used Spring Security. Okay, so this is not readable. I have used bcrypt encoder for encoding our password. So now we have successfully logged in as admin. So now admin can see all the patients here. When I click on view patients, admin will be able to see all the patients here. Okay, so till now only one patient I had registered previously. Okay, then view doctors, he can view all the doctors also. Okay, and from here definitely he can delete. He has been given one delete button here. So by clicking on delete button he can delete the doctor. So let's delete one doctor. So let me delete this Mike Johnson, this doctor. Okay, so I will simply click on delete button, and now we can see only 4 doctors are present here. And also if I go to the home page, here I will be able to see only 4 doctors. Then after that admin can also check all the appointments along with the appointment status. So here we can see assigned to doctor, then assigned to doctor, then treatment is pending, then here treatment is done, and the treatment price is 300, 500 means, and this was cancelled by the patient only. Okay, means admin will be able to see all the appointment details along with the status. Then after that admin can register the doctor. Okay, so from here by clicking on register doctor he can register the doctor. So let's add one doctor, Alina. And here I am entering dummy data for demo. Register doctor. Okay, it will be registered. Again hit the same query because I want to check in the database whether that doctor detail got entered into our DB or not. So here previously we had registered admin, but now, so basically here we can see what doctor got registered here, alina@gmail.com. Again we are not able to see the password here. Complete detail we can see basically here. And now we can see the fifth doctor also, that is Alina Sheikh here, which just now we have added here. So if I click on view doctors again, so again we can see the data here also. And now let's log out as admin. Now let's register and log in as patient. Patient 1. I am giving dummy data here. patient2@gmail.com. Password I will keep anything. Select gender, select anything. Dummy data here. My city, anything. Register patient. Now let's check the database again. Here we can see our patient got registered. So we can see in the same user table we are storing all the users like patient, doctor, admin with the role. And now we can log in as patient, enter the correct email ID and password. So we have successfully logged in as patient, and now we can see in the navigation bar we have got two more options, that is take appointment and check my appointments. Okay, so till now I have not taken any appointment, so that's why I'm not able to see any appointments in this section. So let's take the appointments. So here I can write the problems which I am facing. Leg pain, I can select the appointment date here. Take appointment taken successfully. I can see here the data. Okay, that means I have taken patient 1 has taken the appointment, his complete data is present here. We can see the problem which he is facing. Here we can see doctor name is not assigned to doctor, that means admin has till now not assigned any doctor for this appointment. Prescription is also not null here because doctor will give it. Appointment taken date is, that means today I have taken the appointment, and appointment date is this one. Okay, so till now the appointment status is also not assigned to doctor, so patient can also cancel the appointment at any time. So let me cancel this one. Okay, so cancel the appointment, and now we can see the appointment status is cancelled. Okay, let's take one more appointment then. Here again let me write leg pain, and let me take the appointment on 2nd. Now take appointment. Now go to the my appointments again. So again we can see my 2nd appointment here. In the second option again I'm getting the cancel button, but for the first one it is not present because I've already cancelled it. Okay, and one more thing, let's check our database whether we are able to see the appointment details or not. Select star from appointment. So here we can see all the appointment details. So we can see here this was the first appointment which I had taken, so which I had cancelled actually. Okay, so this is the latest appointment which I have taken, which is not assigned to the doctors yet. Okay, so now let's log out as a patient and log in as admin, because admin will assign this appointment to the doctor. Okay, so log in as admin 2, and here check all appointments, and here click on check all appointments. Admin will be able to see all the appointments here. So this was the first appointment which was taken by the patient 1, which is cancelled by him. Okay, but now for the second one he has not cancelled, and admin has got one option, that is assigned to doctor. Okay, so by clicking on it, and from here he can see the doctors. Okay, and select the doctor. So this was the latest doctor which we have added. So I'll click on the Alina Sheikh only as of now, assign doctor, and if I go to the database again and hit the same query, select star from appointment. So now we can see admin has assigned this appointment to the doctor 13. Okay, and who is doctor 13? 13 is this one, Alina. Okay, so that means everything is working fine, but the status is till now assigned to doctor. So again if I click on check all appointments, he will be able to see assigned to doctor, treatment is pending now, and the doctor name is Alina Sheikh, who will be taking care of this appointment. Okay, so now let's log out as admin and log in as Dr. Alina Sheikh. Okay, Alina. Enter the correct password here. Login. View my appointments. So whenever doctor will log in, he will be able to see one more option in the navigation bar, that is view my appointments. So now this doctor is able to see the appointments which is assigned to him or her by the admin. Okay, till now the treatment is pending, but it is assigned to Dr. Alina. Okay, so now this doctor, he will get one option, that is update appointment. So he can click here. Okay, and now doctor can update the appointment. Okay, so the problem description is leg pain. So from here doctor can give the prescription, take rest, take this medicine. Okay, and then treatment price will be 500. Then you can also select the appointment status now. So now I'll click treatment done. After that, click on the update appointment status. Now I will check the database again, select star from appointment. So here we can see now the treatment status is done. Prescription also we can see here, take proper rest, take this medicine, price is 500. Now after this, when doctor will click on view my appointments, he will be able to see the appointment status is done and the appointment price is 500. So now I will log out as doctor and log in as patient and admin to check whether they are able to see the proper data or not. So firstly I will log in as patient to check whether patient is able to see the proper data or not. So I will enter the correct detail here, login, my appointments, and in here patient can see the proper detail like prescription, he can see, treatment status is also done, and the appointment price is 500 rupees. So means patient is able to see the proper detail. Click on log out and now log in as admin also to check the data. Admin 2, login, check all appointments, and again we can see here assigned doctor was Alina Sheikh, prescription is take proper rest, take this medicine, appointment status is done, and the amount is 500. So at the end, like, everything is working fine. So this was a complete overview of the project in detail. I have added lots of functionalities in the project. Student can use this for learning purpose, especially beginners. I hope you guys liked each and every functionality which I have added in this project and the video too. If you guys did, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We will meet soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.